Hello everyone. Today is Monday, March 28th, 2022, and we are at the Museum of Science in Boston. We had a little trouble getting here because the trains were not running this far. The person who works here just explained to us on Saturday, just a couple days ago, there was a horrible collapse of multiple levels in a concrete parking garage right where the subways are. Where was it at Government Center where the parking garage collapsed? And they want to check the integrity of the subway tunnels. One man was killed and a bunch of cars were destroyed. So we ended up having to walk about 20 minutes in the freezing cold and wind. It actually snowed last night in Boston. It's very, very cold today, and we weren't expecting to have to do that. But thankfully, they have ECVs here and they're complimentary. So I have a very nice ECV to use today. It's very quiet here at the museum. There's hardly anyone here, probably because all the kids are at school. It's a Monday. And we did get a locker to put our coats in, and it was $8 to rent the locker. I think there were different sizes though. And did we get a large or a medium, or? I think we got a medium. There were like 3 different sizes. And I'm gonna show you the map. Here is the map. We are on this level in that blue section, kind of where the restrooms and the elevator are there, right off the welcome. And over to the left there, you can see there's the cafe, and there's also the planetarium. And we do have tickets to the planetarium show this afternoon. So there's Green Wing, Red Wing. This is where you come in.
Blue Wing.
And then we were just in the Blue Wing. And there's just a really pretty view here. This is the Charles River. A hand stamper for re-entry.
It's not gonna work.
You can do it, buddy. It's okay.
It's
You can't get in otherwise. Just press, okay?
I'm scared.
Put your hand on top of
My
it.
main thing is that I'm
Here we
scared.
go.
There you go. There you go.
There, you got it.
How do we get in there? Over there. Okay. Meg, there's Starbucks.
Cambió nuestras vidas. Nos mantuvo separados. Nos unió. Dijimos no. Y dijimos adiós. Nos vimos que ir como frentes.
Tiene que esperar que te cargue, hijo.
Petrified lightning. Look at that. It's a mineral formation. It's very big. Long. It's petrified lightning. Here we have the lightning dome. That is for villains in cheesy movies to create giant man-made storms that ruin everybody's day. Here we have models of things I do not understand and probably will never understand. But this one is cool. Ooh. Ben found a neat thing, and it's being safe
Oh, it makes a bubble.
and sanitary by pressing the button with his elbow.
You have to hold it though.
He has observed that the small things, the triangles, dip themselves in the bubble fluid.
Doesn't hold it. Oh, that's cool.
And make bubbles. And unfortunately there's glass, so we cannot blow the bubbles. It just pops them. Let's try
Squares.
the cube.
A half square.
Half square.
Cube. You have to hold it for a second. That
This one does not like me.
Does it like me though?
It does not like Ben either. This one is two circles put together. It's a new invention.
It's a new atom or a new
It's the next motorized vehicle.
field.
I like how they merge in the middle there. Ooh. There is a probability Plinko graph. What is the oh, I see. The higher the probability that the Plinko balls will fall in the center is marked by a red line. The higher the line, the more likely it is that the balls also fall into that category. As you can see, the probability of these sections is almost 0, which is why there are almost 0 balls in those sections. There we are. And now we're going to look over here. Look how separated they are. They did not look like that through the little peephole. This one is bizarre. If you look through there,
But you cannot
you
see.
can't see it, I'm sorry. These cones, if you look through the peepholes on the other side at the cones, they form coherent, flat-looking pictures and words. They weigh about the same, so. So it's flat. Watch it.
Oh no.
What? What does it feel like?
Pain. Am I up?
Your hair. I worry about your hair.
Am I up?
Yes. Get her hair. Get her hair. Get her hair. Ah!
It's gonna be
Stop.
fine. They don't close.
It feels just like the thing you put your hand on.
Okay. With all the little pins. Do you want to try it, Ben?
No, I don't want to.
Okay. Where?
Right here, so
For the safety of the plant, do not touch.
right.